how to make money on freelancer with data entry services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or an individual coming to this platform to find a data entry services or to hire someone with data entry services, I will just go to hire freelancers and go to by skill and search for data or freelancers with data entry services. So here I'm going to search, we have data entry clerks. I'm going to click on it and then I will be able to hire expert data entry clerks for any job. So here I'm going to scroll down to see the profiles of all data entry clerks. So here I'm going to click on see more data entry clerks. And here I will be able to check all of their profiles, see how much they're getting paid per hour, see their specialists, see their headlines, their description as well, and you can check their reviews, the stars that they have in their profile, where are they from. So for example, for this one, you can see everything about him in his profile. So here you will see if he verified everything, and clients lean to work with freelancers who have everything verified in their profile, and also clients who have great descriptions with some great years of experience with their skills, also their portfolio. As you can see this man's full portfolio in here, and you can see his reviews and feedback as well, and it seems like he always have 5 stars as his reviews. So I'm showing you this to let you know what you're going to learn in today's video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like those ones in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So let's go back to Freelancer, the main page, and here click on earn money freelancing to create your profile, and make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to drop my email, my password, then click on login, and here let's give it a few seconds to load. So here, this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. So let's go to your top right, and here you have your account and your finances, and you can control anything under them. So here we have your profile, membership, account analytics, paid insights and settings, and with finances we have your balance. You can add funds, withdraw funds, you can see your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. You also have your support. You can invite friends by clicking on this link. You will be able to create your own link to invite friends, and here if you want to log out from the profile. So let's go back to view our profile. We have a lot of adjustments to make to our profile. So here, as you can see, our profile looks pretty empty. As you can see, we have 0 reviews, 0 money, 0% likeliness, and we have 0 in everything. So let's start with editing our profile by clicking on this button, and here we will need first to verify our email. As you can see, email verification is required, so make sure to verify your email. After that, make sure to add a profile picture, because there is no person would work with a freelancer with no profile picture, because if you saw a freelancer with no profile picture, that means that it's a scammer or something like that. And also it helps to have a cover photo as well. And when you're done with your photos, then you proceed to the verifications. So here you're going to verify all of those things. As I said before, clients need to work with freelancers who have all of those things verified. So make sure to verify, to join first the elite group of the best freelancers. Also verify your identity. As you can see, identity not verified through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method, not verified to have a valid payment method. Verify your phone number, email, we talked about it before. And it's better also to connect your Facebook account. After that, you proceed to choosing your hourly rate, then choose your professional headline as long with the summary. So here in this summary, you're going to talk about your skill, describe your skill, talk about yourself, how many years of experience you have, where did you work before, where did you study, your inspiration, or why do you like to work on this skill, not another skill, why did you choose that skill, and those sort of things. And after you're done with your summary, then you proceed to choosing your skill. So here you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove this one. Let's enter our skill, data entry services. So we have no skill were found. Let's remove services to see what do we have. So here we have data entry, we have data processing. So I think data entry is enough. Data extraction, data scraping. So if you find any skill, other skill that you can do, you can choose that, because we can add up to 20 skills as I said before. And when you're done with your skills, scroll down and click on save to save all of these changes. After that, you proceed to add in your portfolio, your experience, education, qualifications, and publications as well. All of those things are going to help you have more trust and credibility and get more clients. And after you're done with making all of these adjustments to your profile, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browse and click on projects. Then you will be able to see all of the posted jobs that are looking for someone with the same skill like yours. And if you find a job that suits you, you can apply for it. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.